How to change Gmail theme. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down, click on Settings. And here you want to click on General Settings and then click on Theme. And as you can see, it has three options. It has the light theme, the dark theme, and the system default theme, which means that the Gmail theme will adapt to whichever theme your phone is, whether it's day mode or dark night mode. So choose whatever theme you want, and once you do that, the theme will be applied. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add and change your Gmail theme. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.